How to transfer CapCut video from PC to phone. Hey guys, if you are wanting to transfer your edits from your PC to your phone, it's a really simple process. All you have to do is to go ahead and sign into your computer right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and make sure that you are using the same account that you want to use on your mobile CapCut. Basically, in order for this method to work, you need to have the pro version of CapCut, and right after that, you simply want to click on the options right here, click on settings, and inside you can just go ahead and make sure that the auto upload is turned on. Basically, it will go ahead and upload everything that we are doing from CapCut to our account right here. So if we go ahead and open up the same account on our mobile device, we can then go ahead and see the uploads from other devices. And from there, you can now go ahead and click those edits, and you will be able to use your edits from PC to your mobile devices. If this video has been helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.